yo-yo tricks for us. Are you ready?
My yo-yo trick is breakfast. And my cake is made of a brown turkey. My trick is eat the pizza. My trick is broccoli.
Nice job, boys. What do you guys think? All right.
Yo,
Yo.
yo, it's Gems TV Express time. What do you think of that opening, Catherine?
I thought it was pretty awesome. McKenna, Gems has so much talent.
Everyone was so brave to get up there and show what they can do. Don't you think so, Tucker?
I do indeed, Ben. I especially like the yo-yo part.
Why don't yo-yos make good friends?
Well-
because they always let you down.
Why did the yo-yo cross the road?
Why?
Because it was walking the dog.
Does anybody want a broken yo-yo? No strings attached.
That was a lot of string of yo-yo jokes. Get it? Long string.
We should wind up these jokes and get on with the show.
It's time for celebrations.
Want to hear another yo-yo joke?
No.
But we're on a roll.
Who are we celebrating first?
Let's start with the spectacular May birthdays.
Hooray!
Have an amazing and bright birthday, Pre-K.
Wishing you a brilliant birthday, kindergarteners.
Today is all about you, first graders.
Wishing you all the best in the year to come, second graders.
You're approaching double digits, third graders.
Happy birthday. It looks like there's only one fourth grader with a birthday in the month of May. Oh no.
Happy birthday, everyone. Let's move on to the splendoriferous March and April Proud Principal Awards. There are a lot of them, so let's get going.
Outstanding work, kindergarten. What will you do next?
Beautiful work, first graders. Where will you go from here?
You nailed it, second graders. Tell me how you did it.
Phenomenal progress, third grade. Where did you learn to do that?
Above and beyond, fourth grade.
What is the feature for this episode?
The 5th grade rocket launch.
I remember that.
All of the 5th graders went on a field trip to Starbase Vermont.
Starbase teaches kids about science, technology, engineering, and math. That's STEM.
So cool.
They got to design and make rockets, and then they launched them right here at GEMS.
Let's check it out.
Whoa, that sure was fun.
Where do astronauts keep their snacks? In their lunch box.
What did the rocket say after a successful launch? That was a blast.
What board games do astronauts love to play in space? Monopoly.
What did the rocket say after the astronauts joke? No comment.
I was about to tell another joke about a rocket, but that's too far out there.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, we really appreciate you.
See you later.
Until then,
Remember to be
Respectful,
responsible, and safe.